So what you can also do is add in an inline equation block inside of Notion. So in order to go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and type in slash right here and type in, let's say for example, inline equation, inline right here, and then you can see that inline equation is an option. So here what you can do is you can simply go ahead and type in the inline equation. Let's say for example, I can go ahead and see let's say for example a square. So you can simply go ahead and do that, and I'm just going to go ahead and say plus b square right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see right here, and you can go ahead and let's say for example add in bracket right here and type in, let's say for example square right here, just like this. And this is how you add in an inline equation. So similarly, you can go ahead and add in, let's say for example, more inline equations right here as well. So simply go ahead and type in inline, and then go ahead onto inline equations, space this out, and then this is what you have. So let's just go around over here and then go for inline. Let's say for example, let's just go around over here, type in inline equation, go ahead and press done, and this is what you have, as you can see. And you can also go ahead and utilize latex equations right here and simply insert it out as you like right here. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.